Hey, this is Bryan. Thanks for watching Kies Motorsports. If you haven't done so already, be sure to give us a like, make sure to subscribe, and check us out at KiesMotorsports.com. So if you've been following our videos, you will know that I kind of made a $2,800 suspension mistake. Well, during that process, I got to know my suspension really well, and after being under there so much, I noticed that my end links looked terrible. So today, we're gonna show you how to replace them. All right, here we can see our end link, and again, this is what connects your strut to your sway bar. What we're going to do is we're going to start by removing the 16mm nut. Now, what I like to use is I like to use an open-ended wrench, but mine has this little ratchet side, so makes it a lot easier. So we'll slip that on there. Then what you're going to need is a T30 bit, and this is going to actually go inside the bolt because what's on the other side is a little ball joint. So if you just try to ratchet it, it's just going to spin and spin. Then what you want to do is you want to set your T30 like you're going to tighten it, and then the other one you're going to loosen, so you're going to kind of work against each other. All right, and there we have our nut. Then once you've done that, just push down a little bit and that'll slide right out. Exact same thing over here. Again, it's a 16mm and a T30 Torx. Remove the nut and pull the end link out. But this is something that if you're gonna replace the driver's side, you always wanna do it in pairs, so you always wanna do the passenger side as well. So what you wanna do is get your end link, and then you wanna make sure that you match it up and make sure that you have the right one. So as you can see, the bottom's pointing the same direction and so is the top. See? Here's an example of what the wrong one would look like. So as you can see, the top is lined up, but the bottom bolts don't, and even if you switch it, it's always gonna be that same pattern. So this is the driver's side, and then this one right here that matches the same pattern is our passenger side. Then what we can do is take our new end link, slide this in here. So we're gonna link all of the parts down in the description. Once you have that bottom in, we can tighten this up. Then what you need to do is just pull your sway bar down a little bit and just line this bolt up. We'll put this nut on here. We can tighten this down. Then once you have that snug down, you take a torque wrench and torque them down to spec. Now when you go to torque it down, all you need is that nut to be snug, and then what you'll be able to do is you'll be able to torque it down without that T30. And we have those torque specs listed for you down in the description. If you need to replace your end links in your F30 BMW, I hope today's video was helpful. For any of the tools, the parts, and the torque specs, be sure to see the link in the description. Again, my name is Bryan. Thanks for watching Kies Motorsports. Be sure to give us a nice big thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe. Check us out at KiesMotorsports.com for all your BMW retrofit, performance, and aesthetic needs. Again, my name is Bryan. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.